Hey, what's up everybody? So I'm really excited to unbox one of the New Balance 990 V4s in Auralee. This one here is the blue colorway. I was able to grab these through the New Balance website. Super lucky that that happened to me. I've never bought a major collaborator with New Balance for retail on the New Balance website. I grabbed these when they restocked on release day, so super lucky to have these. Really excited to unbox these because this collaboration, when we first started seeing images of this release, there was a lot of hype at that time. You definitely saw a lot of New Balance fans really excited for this collaboration. Auralee typically does pretty good work with New Balance in my opinion, and I feel like the hype kind of died out throughout the month because it was so, introduced so early in the year. But that's okay because now the resale value on these is not insane. But nonetheless, guys, let's unbox these. Let me give you guys my first impression of, seeing this shoe in hand. Let's talk about it. I'll discuss what I like, what I don't like, and also show you guys how they look on feet. So let's get into it. All right, so let's get these open real quick here. All right, so here we have a custom Auralee box, New Balance, of course. Yeah, first impression, guys, these definitely look really, really nice. Main thing that I'm noticing here as far as the colorway is this light green that you see here on the toe box in this nubuck perforated leather, or suede, I should say. The one interesting part about this blue is that it kind of looks like a dirty blue. Like if you had a pair of light blue sneakers and you got them dirty, dusty, or maybe with grass stains or something, it kind of has that look, like a pre-owned look to it, which I do like a lot. I also think that this colorway reminds me of the New Balance 990 V3 Levi collaboration they released a couple of years ago. The blue on that is definitely, like a brighter blue. This one here is definitely more muted, but it kind of gives me that similar vibe. Of course, you're gonna find nice premium suede on the upper panels of the shoes. Here on the heel counter, the blue is a different shade of blue compared to around the quarter panels of the shoes and on the mud guard. So that is a, nice little detail as far as the colorway. The underlays, of course, is going to be the mesh. Out of the box, they come with these. What are these? Are these pure white, or this is like an off-white color? Let me see. So the laces that come out of the box are an off-white color, and then you have an extra pair of the blue color as well that kind of matches the overall look of the shoe. On the tongue here, of course, you have the tag with the Made in USA and the US flag there, New Balance branding as well. 990 V4 there at the bottom. As you can see here on the insoles, also kind of continue with that similar theme of that kind of yellowish, kind of light green color that it's going for. And then you have the New Balance branding there on the back. So on the midsole here, you also have a light blue color here as well. Here around the middle part of the midsole, it kind of switches over to like a tan color, end cap branding there. The heel stabilizer also has like a pre-aged look here as well, which I do like. You'd have the New Balance branding here on the back, Made in USA. Top here is reflective with some perforation here too. So, again, if you don't know, these might look just like a regular GR pair. You're not getting like super, premium materials. You're getting the same similar suede that you probably would find on a regular GR pair. But again, this is one of those pairs of sneakers that if you know, and in us sneakerheads, we eat that up. So you already know. Flipping the shoe over to the outsole, black, blue. Here on the shiny shank plate, it is in that kind of greenish color. So New Balance endurance here on this pair, of course. And inspecting both shoes, really don't find any major quality control issues, other than some, little bit of glue or residue that you'll find throughout the upper around the midsole part of the shoe. Nothing, too crazy, nothing really to be worried about. So when it comes to sizing with the 990 V4, I recommend you go a half a size down from your regular size. For example, my regular size is a size 10, but with a Made in USA New Balance sneaker, I go a half a size down. So like a 990, V4, V3, V5, a 992, a 993, pretty much every Made in USA sneaker that I own, I prefer 9.5. I've had, size 10s on some Made in USA sneakers, but I still tend to prefer a 9.5 overall. And I suggest you do the same thing with the 990 V4. Of course, 990 V4s are so pretty easily accessible these days. You can walk into a Foot Locker, JD Sport, whatever, and try on a pair before you pull the trigger. Overall, guys, I really think this colorway is very clean. I like the different shades of blue that they use on here, and the way it has like a yellow tint or like a yellow hue to kind of make the shoe look pre-owned or vintage. So I do like that a lot, where on the brown one, you really can't notice that. It's just, you know, different shades of brown, and then you have that blue on the midsole to give it that pop. That colorway does remind me of the 2002 R This Is Never That colorway, but overall, I think I would prefer this colorway now over the brown one, and that's still kind of close. That is tough. You guys let me know in the comments, which one do you prefer? Auralee does remind me a lot of how Jown does their thing when it comes to collaboration with New Balance. You're not gonna get super bright colors. You're gonna get very muted, very simple to wear colorways, which is great at the end of the day. So this is one of those collaborations that if you know type deal. If you're a big time New Balance fan, you're gonna love these, because you know, we all think that, you know, we're rocking, you know, an Auralee collab, so we kind of feel like, you know, we're doing our thing, you know what I mean? So that definitely is gonna help here, but very GR-like, but that's okay. We're used to seeing that too. So overall, guys, maybe I'm just yapping too much at this point. Overall, I think these are very clean. It's gonna be sneaker of the year. I doubt it. Neither colorway, in my opinion, will be. But I would say that the hype did die out on these because they were announced very early in the year. I don't think they were leaked because it was, you know, a fashion show, so that, you know, the models were wearing it. I think because of that, it did kill a little bit of the buzz on these, and we had to wait all these months, you know, literally at the end of the year to finally get this release. So that definitely killed the buzz here a little bit. But, you know, overall, guys, you know, they are clean, they're nice. So with that being said, let me throw these on and show you guys how they look on feet. All right, guys, so that's it. Hopefully this video brought you a detailed look of the New Balance 990 V4 in collaboration with Auralee. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this collab and which one of the colorways do you prefer. And like always, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that button. I will appreciate it so much. Like the video, comment below. Follow me on Instagram, Threads, TikTok, and Guy Kicks. That's it, guys. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.